Good morning, everyone. This is 7:30 a.m. of 19th November 2020. Let us analyze what are the possible resistances, supports, and the range for Nifty for today. And since this is a weekly expiry, let us keep also that in mind in order to take benefit of the option decay. What kind of positions we can create or deploy for today. So we will discuss that too. So let us start with the global sentiments. So yesterday, as you can see, the European markets, they closed mild positive, but after they closed, there was a sharp drop in the US markets. That also made a high, all-time high yesterday, and after that, there was a sharp downside on it, uh, which we can clearly see here in the Dow uh, Dow's future chart. Here we can see this was you can see the date at the downside here that appears when I take the cursor here. So after as you can see during uh, like on yesterday it made the highs, all-time highs, but after that it couldn't sustain those levels. There was a lower high formed and it started coming down very sharply. This was a very sharp drop of around more than 500 points. Okay, but after that, it is trying to remain at that level, so we are not sure. Maybe it might slide further down. Okay, that is about these sentiments from the global fronts. But here, for today, what is happening in the Asian markets is all the Asian markets are trading negative, um, except two of them. But as you can see, majority of them are negative slightly, and we see the same thing happening on the SGX Nifty as well. What happened on the SGX Nifty yesterday was this is 18th, so it made a, let's see what is here for us. So this is the intraday live chart. Let's go to the historical and see what happened yesterday. Where is the high made? So 12,963 is what it shows as high, and here we see the SGX Nifty actually made a high of 13,014 uh, yesterday, but right now it is at 12,898, 100 points down from the high it made. So it it is clear that the upside today is very difficult for the market. Yes, it made a high of 13,000, but after that it is now at 12,000, almost 900. Uh, it means that we are going to open at 12,900 around, and from there, due to the negative global sentiments that we have for today, maybe we will remain sideways for most of the day, and further like going upside is very difficult now because we did that in the HGX Nifty, but we couldn't sustain it. Even there are no supporting global sentiments for today, so making a day high again or all-time high again today is very difficult. I do not think that is possible for today. Okay, so that's about the global sentiments and its possible impact on the Nifty. Let us now analyze the Nifty futures chart. To receive similar learning and informative videos on trading, please subscribe the Bombay Trader and press the bell icon. So here we see at around after 1:30 in the afternoon yesterday, there was a sharp up move, and it was about 100 points from 12,860 to 12,960.65. So that was around 100 points move, and as you can see, it started with a very high volume at the base. It means some big player entered at this particular level who pushed it higher. Now, what might happen? And this is at 12. We closed at 12,965. But as per SGX Nifty, today we are going to open at around 12,892, and that on the Nifty chart will appear here. 12,892 is here. So if we open here again, it means that we are still above this one. Since now what happens, what might happen on the opening is, since these players who are long here, they are stuck. Actually, when it comes down, they might fear and they might sell. So if we break down below the yesterday's low of 12,800, we will move sharply further down. So 12,800 is a big support on the downside, which is yesterday's low, and 12,000. Okay, so that is on the downside, 12,800, a major point to observe. But uh, before that, we will have to see how it reacts at 12,840. We'll have to see how uh, whether not actually, sorry, it's not 12,840, it is 12,885. So we'll at that level, the low of this particular candle at which there was a huge volume, so I am referring to that 12,885. So there we'll have to see how it reacts. If we see, as I told, it is 892, so it means we are actually opening above that particular level, uh, here above the low. Here we are opening somewhere here, and we'll have to see how the people who bought aggressively will do there. And my intuition is, since uh, this was a huge player who has entered at that position, I am he will not let this level cross down immediately. It might do some sideways movements here, and after that he might uh, again try to take it up, and there can be a sharp down move there because he might sell off on the upside. So today is going to be a very interesting expiry for all of us to see how the players who caused the up move in yesterday's afternoon will behave today, or how will they uh, actually uh, gauge the market in order to exit from their positions, or will they support their yesterday's positions and take it high. But for today, um, 13,000 is very difficult because of such sharp down moves on the Dow, and negative sentiments in the Asian markets as well, what we see. So globally, it is negative sentiment right now. We made a high yesterday, all-time high, but uh, today. And even on the SGX Nifty, we have crossed 13,000, but on the intraday basis today, crossing the 13,000 is very difficult. But let's see what happens. And on the upside, I think yesterday's high is going to be uh, uh, going to remain there, and the yesterday's high, as you can see, it was 12,965. So 12,965 on the upside, and 12,000 um, 885 to 12,800 if 12,885 is broken. So that is the range for today, 12,800 to 12,965. Let us see how this is going to be, but have the psychology of expecting any kind of moves, and play with stop loss. Okay, then we'll meet during the trading session.